Zaffar Ali from the Zaffar tutorial. So today's my topic is about the function of literature. So what are the function of literature? So literature has main two functions, that is literature of power and the literature of knowledge. So what is literature of power and what is literature of knowledge? So let's get started. So literature of power means literature has a power to move the heart and mind of the reader. Heart and mind of the reader means literature has an ability able to move the reader. His heart and mind has diverse to the whole in the book. What he is reading or what he is seeing, his literature diverse him fully. For example, someone is reading novel, so his heart and mind is fully to that novel. So that's a literature of power. What is literature of knowledge? Literature of knowledge means literature gives particular value, message and the theme to the reader. So literature of knowledge means when someone is reading some literature books, so literature give him the particular value and the message of something, moral of something and the theme of the reader, and give the knowledge to the reader. So these are the main two function of the literature. Other function of the literature are number one is transmission of culture. For example, now in Pakistan the Turkish drama is continuing. So the culture of Pakistani, most of the Pakistani youngsters are they show a beard and they get up the Turkey culture, because this is the literature function, that it transmits culture. When we sing the culture of Turkey, so we get up the culture of that particular country or that particular area. So we know when we read the Ghalib or Iqbal, so that gives the information about the culture of Ghalib and Iqbal and the poetry, and understand the poetry of Ghalib and Iqbal. So means what's the literature? Means literature provide some kind of culture transmission, that how the people of that time think, or people of that time will have literature. Means when we read the Ghalib, the particular time of Ghalib will our mind will means connected to the Ghalib's time, that particular time. And when we read the Iqbal, means our our mind diverts to that time when the Iqbal is here. So this is the cultural transmission. Number second is art of communication. When you read the literature, you are editing several drafts. For example, this is the point. You get up the most of the communication, your skills will be produced. Number third is science of communication. What is science of communication? For example, when I am reading the culture of Aristotle, for example, I am reading the book of any Aristotle or the scientist or any other scientist, so means I am communicating to that scientist or that particular time, and I am watching the culture of that person or scientist. So this is the science of communication. Many scientists knowledge means I am getting the knowledge of that scientist. So what is the literature? Another function is literature is the mirror of society. Of course, you know it is the mirror of society. It shows our society culture, how for example, you watching the most of the dramas in the society based dramas that mostly showing the some cases or problems, so literature show the society. Entertainment also, you are looking the films, dramas that are based on the entertainment. You know social media is active now in their time, so it is also the function of literature that it provide us the entertainment. So this is another art. Another is function is educative. Literature addresses issues of the society. It also get the issues of society. This is the educative number. And other function is catharsis. So it's a main, you have to understand this term, catharsis. There is a common belief that literature helps writers in emotional release. For example, I am reading novel, I am attached to that novel. This is the catharsis. This is what the catharsis. These are the some points I am going to tell you about the function of literature to raise the awareness of people about the certain aspects of life. When we read the literature, it is about the awareness. It give us the knowledge about the certain aspect of life, how we get up the life, how we can better our future, how can and means through the literature and past experience of the other people, we can make ourselves a better person. So this is the function of literature. Another function is to instruct and delight. So literature also give us instruction and advices that do this thing or don't do this thing, or don't go this way, or go, means it give the destination. Literature basically gives the destination. And delight is happiness. Of course, in literature we get the delightness also. So literature is reflect of various experience, ideas, passion of the human being in the daily life. So it also increase our knowledge. This is the main function of knowledge. This is the main function of literature. Main function, I told you this: literature of power and literature of knowledge. These are main function, and these are other function. These are some key function that I told you in this lecture. So if you like this short information, then must subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Thank you for watching.